Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to this video and also welcome to my first English tutorial and welcome to Mike's Creative World. In this video I want to show you how you can attach a simple pompon onto your head. It's in a very easy way. And it also makes you able to remove the pompon on an easy way and clean your head, or even to change your pompon on your head. Sorry for my English, this is my first video in English, so my English is not that good. So my excuse for that, but let's get started and let me show you how I do this. In this instruction video I want to show you how you can attach a pom-pom onto your handmade head. You need a head, of course, and a pom-pom, and you also need a button, and I'm using a wooden one, and you need a needle with a small eye that fits through the button, and a pair of scissors to cut the ends of your yarn. So let's get started. First we're going to put the yarn through the needle so that we can get the yarn through the head like that, and also you need to do that with the other end. Just stick your needle through the top of your head so it goes inwards on your head. Then turn your head inside out like this, and then we're going to attach the button on the yarn tails. And this is acrylic yarn, so it's sometimes a little hard to get it through the needle, but just take your time for it. Well, get your button and get your needle through so the yarn is attached to your button, and do that also with the other end of the yarn. Get it through the button like this, and then place your button against your head and then secure it with a knot. Pull it tight like that, and remove the long yarn tails, and then your pompon is attached to your head. I prefer using this because sometimes your head needs to be washed. Then I'll throw it into the washing machine, and most of the time my pom-poms came out very ugly. So now I'm attaching my pompons on this way because I can remove them now and throw the head into the washing machine by itself, and so my pompon stays the same like it is. Even if your pompon is, well, old and not looking good anymore, you can also remove it, make a new one and attach it to your head, and then it looks good again. Removing your pompon is easy. Just untie, and I'm using my needle again to untie the knot like that. So remove the button, remove your pom-pom, and then you can throw your head into the washing machine and make it clean. So this is my way of attaching pompons onto heads. I hope it's a useful tip for you, and I hope I could help you with this video. And excuse me for my bad English. This is my first video in English, so excuse me for that. But this is my explanation, and I wish you good luck. Well, that was my explanation on how you can attach a pompon onto your head. I hope it was a useful video for you, and I also hope that my English was good enough. And again, excuse me for my bad English sometimes, but this is my first video in English, so I hope I do a good job. I wanted to thank you for watching this video. Maybe in the future I will upload more videos in English. I'm not gonna make any promises, but maybe I will do that. So thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell next to that subscribe button. And then I would say thank you for watching, and maybe I see you later in one of my videos. Bye!